How to screenshot WhatsApp's View Once photos. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily screenshot WhatsApp photos that you can only view once. Let's begin. But before we start, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So as you guys can see here, I have a picture sent to me, and as you can see, this indicates one. That means I can only view it once. Now, once you view the photo, then you don't have any option to save it to your chat. You only have delete and report. So in this case, what you want to do is go ahead and start your screen recording on your app. There are some screen recorders inbuilt on your phone, but if you don't have any screen recorder, then you might want to install it from Play Store. There are various different options out there which are really good, and you just want to start the screen recording first before you view the photo, and then you should be able to capture the picture. But in some cases, it will not show up. In that case, you cannot do anything. So that is all for today's video. I will see you guys on the next one.